Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that could be a game changer for your outdoor adventures, the Stansport Deluxe 24-piece Enamel Camp Tableware Set. We discovered this fantastic set online, and we've included a link in the description below so you can check out the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Stansport Deluxe 24-piece Enamel Tableware Set? This beautifully designed camping dish set is crafted to elevate your dining experience while you're out in nature. It comes with everything you need for a complete meal setup for 4 people, making it perfect for family camping trips, picnics, or even recreational vehicles. The set includes 4 10.25-inch plates, 4 6-inch bowls, 4 12 fluid ounces mugs, and a full set of cutlery with steel spoons, knives, and forks. All of these pieces feature a stunning double-coated glazed enamel finish, reinforced with high-quality, durable steel, and accented with brilliant stainless steel edges. One of the standout features of this tableware set is its durability. Unlike standard plastic or paper dishes, these enamel pieces can withstand the rigors of outdoor use while maintaining their aesthetic appeal. The lightweight design makes them incredibly portable, which is essential for camping and backpacking. You won't have to worry about breaking or chipping them easily, and they are easy to clean, too. This set is suitable for a wide range of outdoor enthusiasts. Whether you're a seasoned camper, a family looking to enjoy the great outdoors, or someone who simply loves to cook and dine under the stars, this tableware will meet your needs. It adds a touch of home to your campsite, allowing you to enjoy meals just as you would at the dinner table back home. Now, let's talk about some practical use cases for the Stansport Deluxe Enamel Tableware Set. Imagine waking up in your tent, brewing a fresh cup of coffee in one of the sturdy mugs, and watching the sunrise while taking in the beauty of nature. After your coffee, you could enjoy a hearty breakfast of scrambled eggs served on the generous plates or have a bowl of cereal before setting off on your adventure for the day. This set doesn't just stop at breakfast. It can be used for lunch and dinner as well. Whether you're cooking up some pasta on your camping stove or grilling burgers over an open fire, the Stansport enamel plates and bowls are perfect for serving up your delicious meals. They can handle a variety of food types, hot or cold, ensuring that you can enjoy whatever culinary delights you whip up outdoors. Moreover, if you're planning a picnic or a day at the beach, this set is incredibly practical. The compact and lightweight nature of these pieces means they fit easily into your picnic basket or backpack, making them a convenient choice for any outing. Plus, their charming design will add a touch of class to any gathering, making it feel more special. In summary, the Stansport Deluxe 24-piece Enamel Camp Tableware Set is an excellent investment for anyone who enjoys the outdoors. With its durable materials, practical design, and beautiful aesthetics, it makes every meal feel like a special occasion, no matter where you are. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.